don't know what else to say.
Hi guys, another food video for you. बहुत टाइम हो गया मुझे इस टाइप का वीडियो बनाए हुए, but this is kind of like what I eat in a week kind of a video. Breakfast is easily my favorite meal of the day. आप लोग का क्या है मुझे ज़रूर बताना comment section में. But it's definitely the breakfast for me. I love being creative with my breakfast, so I thought that I'll shoot the whole week of breakfast, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Let's start with the day one. Starting this video with Sunday, I made this beautiful baked oats recipe. It tasted and felt like cake literally. I took 2 cups of oats, 1 cup of milk, this coconut palm sugar because we are doing healthy this week, a spoon of peanut butter, some flax seeds, cinnamon powder, baking powder and baking soda, pinch of salt. Blended it all up to form a mixture. Put the mixture in the baking dish and added some chocolate chips in it. Baked it for 20 minutes in the oven. You'll see the mixture rise a little bit. When it was all done, I topped it up with this peach yogurt, cinnamon powder, some chocolate chips, coconut flakes. The texture was so cakey and it was hands down the best oats recipe I've tried so far. And of course, some more yogurt doesn't hurt, right? Moving on to Monday, I was in a mood of sweet and savory, so I decided to make them both. We are using this beautiful ripe avocado. My brother got some from his trip to Coorg. I made a very basic guacamole, just added a pinch of salt and lime juice so that it does not turn blackish. I use this bread from Baker's Dozen. It's a sourdough bread with minimal ingredients, so a little healthier choice here. Applying peanut butter on one bread and guacamole on the second. Railu is always introspecting what is going on in the kitchen. It's literally the cutest thing. Yeah, so I garnished the toast with onion, chili flakes, and all the herbs I had in hand, and of course, banana on the peanut butter toast. And then I took some aesthetic pictures of this beautiful breakfast because why not? By the way, I just want you to let you know that I don't eat healthy like this every day, but I love making such videos because it kind of forces me to eat good and healthy. And this is all for my Monday morning breakfast. Let's move on to Tuesday. We are making green pancakes. I took some soaked oats, 2 bananas, and some spinach for that beautiful green color, which makes everything look a little more healthier. I blended the mixture and the pancake mix is ready. I made this huge ass pancake because eventually we want to cut it into smaller pieces. Let me tell you that this plate full of pancakes are for 2 people because this was literally too much for one. I garnished with some honey, bananas, and walnuts, and that's all. These were really yummy. I think you should also give it a try. Also comment heart on this video if you like these type of videos. I just want to know if you people are interested in these at all. Anyway, moving on to Wednesday, we are having this creamy smoothie and some fried idli which was actually left over from last night. We are taking bananas, peanut butter, some chocolate chips of course, cacao powder and blending it all up. This smoothie was, oh my god, quite filling and so thick. I decided not to make anything after that, so I just had some leftovers from the fridge. Now let's jump on to Thursday. Again, a warming bowl of oats because it was a little chilly and I like to have some warm breakfast on such days. I stewed some apples in some water and cinnamon powder until they turn soft. Don't miss the cinnamon powder if you're stewing your apples. I actually lost the footage of how I made the oats, but I simply boiled it in water and mixed it with some stewed apple blend for the sweetness.
Basically, I used apple sauce for sweetening the oats here, and then I topped this up with remaining apples and this chocolate peanut butter. And oh my god, this is my favorite thing ever. This is from the brand called Sweet Truth. I'll link it for you if I find it, but this is the best peanut butter ever, and I think you should all try this. I think you should. Moving on to Friday, we are making this gorgeous bowl that you see here. The previous night, I had made some apple crumble for dessert. Apple crumble is my favorite these days, and I had made the recipe video for this sometime back. I'll link it in the cards if you're interested to see. But I put some crumble in the fridge and used it the next day like this. Just topped it up with apples, peanut butter, some nuts, and honey. And yes, I forgot to add chia seeds, so I added that one too. And that's all for Friday. On Sunday, we actually generally eat brunch because we get up late. I made this creamy pumpkin pasta. I got my hands on the squash and I thought I'll use this to make the sauce. You can also use regular pumpkin. Chopping this was literally a struggle, but I chopped it roughly with some onions and garlic and a chili. I put some spices and salt on the pumpkin, and once it was tender, we blended to make the sauce. I added some coconut, but preferably we should add coconut malai for that thick, creamy texture. I mixed the sauce and put some garlic powder, thyme, rosemary, oregano, and garnished this with some black sesame and roasted peanuts because without it, it's incomplete. If you like a little bit of sweeter taste in your sauces, then you should definitely try this one out. I was so hungry that I could not really take a proper video of the complete dish, but this was all for this week.
So I hope that you enjoyed this food video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. It really helps my channel grow, and I'll see you next week. Bye.